Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.